The word כאילו is one of those vague Hebrew words that are a bit hard to translate and have various uses, and as you can be sure, I'll break them down for you in this video. This is definitely not a new word in modern Hebrew, as it dates back thousands of years. Every year on Passover, at the Seder, we cite, בכל דור ודור חייב אדם לראות את עצמו כאילו הוא יצא ממצרים. In every single generation, every person must view themselves as if they personally left Egypt themselves. As we could see from this example, the original use for כאילו is still used in modern Hebrew nowadays, as in as if, or pretending to be. Let's see some examples. היא מתנהגת כאילו היא הבוסית כאן. She's acting as if she's the boss here. אני מרגיש כאילו אני יושב על החוף בג'מייקה. I feel as if I'm sitting on the beach in Jamaica. הוא לא לומד בכלל, כאילו אין לו מבחן מחר. He is not studying at all, as if he doesn't have a test tomorrow. A similar use is used by children playing a pretend game. Example, בואו נשחק בכאילו. Let's play a game of pretend. Another usage for כאילו that really irritates me is similar to the way Americans love using the word like for no good reason while speaking. Obviously, this is slang, and usually not used by adults, but rather by the younger generations. Example time. אז היא אומרת לו כאילו, תגיד לי, אתה משוגע כאילו או משהו? So she tells him like, are you like crazy or something? מה אתה חושב כאילו אח שלי? What are you thinking like, bro? הם רוצים כאילו 200 ש"ח על זה? They want like 200 shekels for this? An additional usage in slang is when we attach כאילו to another word to form a unique, at times untranslatable, new phrases. כאילו מה? Meaning, like what? This is used when you're pissed off at someone or at a situation you're in. Example, הבוס שלי רוצה שאני אעבוד ביום שישי, כאילו מה? My boss wants me to work on Friday. Like what? Cultural side note, in Israel, many offices work from Sundays to Thursdays and have Fridays and Shabbat off. A similar phrase is כאילו למה? Like why? Example, כאילו למה? למה הבנק סגור היום? Like why? Why is the bank closed today? כאילו כלום, meaning as if nothing has happened and all is good. Example, היא נכנסת למשרד באיחור, כאילו כלום, הכל סבבה. She walks into the office late as if nothing has happened and all is good. That is all, guys and girls. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye.